Forget what you've heard. Fasting actually revs up your metabolism like never before. Have you ever wondered if fasting affects your metabolism or digestion? Many people believe that fasting can slow down metabolism, but is this really true? Let's dive into the science behind fasting and its effects on your body. When you fast, your body goes into a state of ketosis, where it starts burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This can actually increase your metabolic rate and help you burn more calories. However, prolonged fasting can lead to a decrease in metabolism as your body tries to conserve energy. Fasting also gives your digestive system a much-needed break. It allows your gut to rest and repair, improving digestion in the long run. So does fasting slow down metabolism? The answer is not a simple yes or no. It really depends on the duration and frequency of your fasts. Intermittent fasting can actually have positive effects on your metabolism and digestion. It's important to listen to your body and find a fasting routine that works best for you. Do you fast? What do you find most effective? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.